Find the number of permutations of the letters of the word Mississippi. How many of these, all 4s or together, begin with Miss? Which is the better investment? 7.5% stock at 125 or 5% stock at 75. So you will get one 3-mark question from stocks and shares. So integral from 0 to 1, 2x plus 5, x square plus 5x plus 3. Hello everyone, a warm welcome. This is Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In the previous session, we were discussing the solution of the model question paper. Here in this session, we are going to discuss the remaining section. Again, before that, let us see the question paper pattern of this academic here. So we have 5 sections and type of questions you will get is 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as 5 and 6 marks. So you have 20 objective questions, 9 2 marks, 9 3 marks, 7 5 marks and 2 set of 6 mark as well as 4 mark question. So number of questions to be answered is given and maximum marks you can score is 80. Now let's find the solution for part C section. The very first question was given here was, if A is 2 minus 1 minus 1 2, then show that A square minus 4A plus 3I is equal to O. So where I is the unit matrix, O is the null matrix. A square, we need to find the product of the square matrix. So here I have written A 2 times, A dot A, which gives you A square. So first row into first column. So 2 2s are 4, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Similarly, first row into second column. 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Similarly, we go with second row first column. So minus 2 becomes minus 4, then 1 plus 4 becomes 5. So the resultant matrix will be 5, minus 4 and 5. Now next we need 4A for the given equation, which means you need to multiply 4 to the given matrix. So when you multiply, it becomes 8 minus 4 and 8. The last one is 3I. Since the matrix given is 2 cross 2 matrix, we need to take the identity matrix of 2 cross 2 only. So when you multiply 3 to that matrix, so 3003, that is 3 into 1001 becomes 3003. Now let's put this in the matrix equation. A square is given, 4A is given plus 3. We need to show that it is equal to 0. So let's check. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. Minus 4 minus of minus 4 becomes plus 4, 0. 5 minus 8 minus 3, minus 3 plus 3, 0. So therefore, it is a null matrix. Hence, we have proved the matrix equation. The next question is from permutations and combination. Find the number of permutations of the letters of the word Mississippi. How many of these, all 4s or together, begin with Miss? So first let me count how many letters are there in the word Mississippi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 letters, out of which S is repeated 4 times, I is repeated 4 times and P is repeated 2 times, and then we have one M. So here they have asked us to find the number of permutation where all 4s are together. When I talk about 4s, let me tie all s as one single unit. So when I take all s as one single unit, so 4, and there are remaining letters, that is 7 letters. So therefore totally we have 8 units to be arranged. So therefore the 4s are together means the number of permutation will be 8 factorial. But among 8 letters, we have 2 letters which are repeated, that is I and P. So they are like permutation. So therefore we need to divide the total factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Now coming to this unit, we have all S, which means they are same letters. So if you rearrange them also, it gives the same permutation. So therefore there is nothing to write or there is nothing to product Therefore, the resultant answer will be 8 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. The next thing is we have begin with miss. So, when I say begin with miss, the first 4 plays are already fixed. So, MISS. So, there are remaining 7 letters. So, we need to just arrange 7 letters. Therefore, it is 7 factorial. But among the 7 letters, we have S repeated 2 times because 2S is here. So, we have 2S, 2P and one more I we have, that is 3 because one I is here. So, there are 2S, 2P and 3I, they are repeated. Therefore, the words begin with miss will be 7 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial whole square I have written, which is nothing but 2 factorial into 2 factorial. A question from ratios. Monthly income of A and B are in the ratio 2:3 and their monthly expenditures are in the ratio 3:5. If each saves rupees 100 per month, find the monthly incomes of A and B. So, let the salary be given in the form of X, wherein their ratio is 2 and 3. So, therefore, let the salary of A is 2X and salary of B is 3X. Since they save 100 each month, so their salary minus savings will give the expenditure and that is given in the form of ratio 3:5. So, therefore, 2x minus 100 by 3x minus 100 is equal to 3 by 5. Now, let us cross multiply this. So, that is 5 into 2x minus 100, 3 into 3x minus 100. So, when you solve this equation, you will get x as 200 rupees. We have taken A's income as 2x. So, 2 into 200, 400 and B as 3x. So, 3 into 200, 600 rupees. Next, a question from bill discount. A bill for rupees 3,500 due for 3 months was drawn on 27 March 2012 and discounted on 18th April 2012 at the rate of 7% per annum. Find the banker's discount and discounted value of the bill. First, let us write the data given here. So, they have given face value of the bill, that is F 3,500 and rate of interest is given, that is 0.07. Bill period is 3 months. Date of drawing is given. So, we need to find out banker's discount as well as the discounted value of the bill. So, first to find the banker's discount, we need the time. So, for time they have given the date of drawing. So, first let us find legally due date. Now, we have a formula. Legally due date is date of drawing plus bill period plus 3 grace days. So, we have written the date of drawing, the bill period and 3 grace days. So, days is written along one side, month is written and year is written. So, when you add it, we will get 36/2012, that is June 30 was the time given. So, it was drawn on 27/3/2012 itself. So, let us count the remaining dates till 36/2012. We have 12, 31 and 30, that is we have 73 days all in all together. Now, time is given in days, we can convert them in year by dividing it by 365. Now, let us find discounted value of the bill. Discounted value of the bill is given by the formula F into 1 minus TR. So, face value is 3,500, 1 time is 73 by 365, R is 0.07. So, when you do the simplification, you will get the discounted value of the bill as 3,451 rupees. The next thing is we can find banker's discount. Banker's discount is always face value minus discounted value. So, when you take the difference, you will get rupees 49 as banker's discount. Next, which is the better investment? 7.5% stock at 125 or 5% stock at 75. So, you will get one 3-mark question from stocks and shares. So, we have to find the better investment here. 7.5% stock at 125 means 7.5 by 125 into 100. So, we will get 6% yield here. Similarly, 5% stock at 75 means 5 by 75 into 100, which is 6.6% yield. So, if you see 6.6% is more and hence 5% stock at 75 is the better investment. Next, Bharat bought a shirt of rupees 336 including 12% sales tax and a necktie of rupees 110 including 10% sales tax. Find the printed price of the shirt and necktie together. So, we need to find the total value of the shirt as well as the necktie. So, this is a question from sales tax and value added tax. Now, we have a formula that is selling price is always the cost price plus sales tax. So, cost price can be also considered as the market price. Selling price is given 336 and 12% of CP, I have taken CP as X, cost price as X. So, which is 12% of X. So, therefore, you will get 112 by X. So, when you solve, you will get X is equal to 100. Next, we have selling price of necktie. So, necktie again it is cost price plus 10% of CP. I have taken the price as Y here. So, Y plus 10% of CP. So, you will get the value of Y as 100 on solving. So, therefore, the total price is 300 plus 100 together 400 rupees. Next, we have a question from application of derivative. A circular patch of oil spreads on water, the area growing at the rate of 16 centimeters square per minute. How fast are the radius and the circumference increasing when the diameter is 12 centimeter? So, the data is given. So, they have given area, that is we need to find out the change in radius whenever the diameter is 12 centimeter. So, we know that area is equal to pi r square. So, therefore, when you derive this, we will get dA by dt is equal to 2 pi r into dr by dt. So, now it is given, that is the change in area as 16 and r is given, diameter is 12 which means r is equal to 6. So, we will put r is equal to 6. We are supposed to find out change in radius. So, therefore, change in radius is 4 by 3 pi centimeter square per minute. Now, we need to find the change in circumference also. Circumference formula is given by C is equal to 2 pi r. When you derive with respect to time, we will get dc by dt, 2 pi is constant, dr by dt. So, dr by dt will get 4 by 3 pi, wherein 4 pi and pi get cancels. So, we are left with 8 by 3 centimeter per minute. Next, integration. Evaluate integral of 1 by x into x plus 2 dx. So, this is a simple partial fraction. So, first we will find the partial fraction and then we will integrate it. So, 1 by x into x plus 2 can be written as a by x plus b by x plus 2. So, since we have two linear factor, take x is equal to 0 once and then x is equal to minus 2 once. When you equate the numerator, you will get this equation 1. 1 is equal to a into x plus 2 bx. When you take x as 0, we will get 2a is equal to 1. So, a is equal to half. And when you take x plus 2 as minus 2, we will get minus 2b is equal to 1. So, therefore, b is equal to minus half. Now, you apply integration on both sides. So, we will get integration of 1 by x into x plus 2 dx. A is half, I will remove it, I will get 1 by x. Similarly, in the place of b we have minus half, I will remove outside the integral, we will get 1 by x plus 2. Integral of 1 by x form is log x. Similarly, integral of 1 by ax plus b is 1 by a log ax plus b. So, 1 by x can be written as log x and 1 by x plus 2 can be written as log x plus 2. So, therefore, the answer is half log x minus half log x plus 2 plus c. The next question will be application of integrals. Definite integrals we have here. So, integral from 0 to 1, 2x plus 5, x square plus 5x plus 3. We can use the method of substitution to solve this kind of problem. Let me take x square plus 5x plus 3 as some t. Then if you derive on both sides, we will get dt is equal to 2x plus 5 dx. So, 2x plus 5 dx can be written as dt and x square plus 5x plus 3 can be written as t. Since you are changing the variable, you have to change the limit also. When you take x is equal to 0 here, t is 3, and when you take x is equal to 1 in the given equation, you will get t is equal to 9. So, therefore, integral from 0 to 1, 2x plus 5 divided by x square 5x plus 3 into dx can be written as 3 to 9, and this entire thing is dt, the denominator is t. Now since it is in the form of 1 by t, it can be written as log t. So therefore integral of 1 by t is log t with the limits 3 to 9. Apply the upper limit and the lower limit, which becomes log 9 minus log 3. So log x minus log y means log x by y. So therefore log 9 by 3, and when you cancel, the value is equal to log 3. So we have discussed the solutions of part C section. I'll meet you in the next session. Until then, keep watching. Thank you.